Yeah. So I'm talking about the your one admin or admin 1.0 and admin 2.0 versions of your administration tools, right? So if you want to right now, whatever we have seen so far with respect to your administration tools is admin 2.0 guys, which is your one admin tools. But say if you want to go back to your admin 1.0, how you are going to go back to admin 1.0 is like go ahead and deactivate the one admin tool, guys. You can see here your one admin is nothing but admin 2.0. Go ahead and deactivate this thing, guys. And the moment you deactivate, right, let me check, is there any other place that we need to deactivate, guys? See, you can see right now I deactivated the things that are specific to your one admin tool. So the default thing is going to be admin 1.0, guys. It should be somewhere. Let me show you. Just give me a second, guys. Sorry. Okay, it should be like by default it is going back to admin 1.0. So I changed the admin 2.0 one admin to admin 1, the previous version, right? Let me save these changes in your provisioning system, and you have to log into your SuccessFactors instance, guys. Yeah. Let me go ahead and log in here. So if you go to your admin tools now, guys, it's not yet reflected. Still it is in one admin only, guys. So these admin tools, however you are looking here, right, that is nothing but your admin 2.0, guys, which is your one admin tools. So that the admin tools accessibility, how they are going to behave with your one admin 1.0 is quite different when compared to admin 2.0, guys. Now we are going to switch back to the previous version of the admin tools, and I am going to demonstrate you how the system looks like with your previous version of your admin tools, Nirmal. No, not yet, guys. I don't know like why it is taking such a long time to reflect. It's pretty quick. I don't know why it is taking such a long time here. Yeah, you can see here Now you don't see, when the moment you click on the administration tools here, you don't see the previous kind of screen, right? How you used to access your admin tools is quite different than whatever you are seeing here. So the way how you are looking here is nothing but it is coming with your admin 1.0 guys, which is the previous version of your administration tools. So you can see the difference, right? This is the previous version and the one that you are looking earlier is the latest version. Which one is good? And the latest version is really good. Usability has been increased a lot, and the look and feel, anyone can go ahead and, like, say if you want to do some configuration with respect to your goal management, yes, you are going to click on the goal management. Or say if you are going to work on the compensation, yes, you are going to click on the compensation, and all the related configuration with respect to that particular specific module, they are going to be displayed here. But here everything is being listed as a hyperlinks here, and we have to go through them each one by one, and we have to find out what is the exact option that you are interested in. And also, like you can see here, there is no such option here. You see, with your admin 1.0, there is no search option available in your administration tools. And in fact, the search option of your administration tools is very important, guys. It is going to be really helpful. If you keep typing your keyword, right? Any functionality. Say if you are working on the template settings, keep typing templates. It will throw you the lot of options which are going to match with that keyword, guys. That's how it is going to be really helpful for all the administrators. In fact, whenever you are going to be newly practicing or newly placed on a project, right, that is going to be really helpful, guys. So this is what I am talking about, guys. This is your old version of your UI, and let's say you are going to get similar kind of functionality, but the way how you are going to access that is quite different, guys. So let me reset back your admin tools to the latest version of the admin tools, so that you know, like, how to switch it, how to upgrade it, and how to move back to the previous version. Let me quickly do that. So if you go to your provisioning system, again go to your company settings, guys. Everything you are going to do under your company settings, guys. All the modules activation or the related features of those modules you are going to activate in the under the company settings. Let me go ahead and activate these two things. Also, let me activate the manage users, guys. Somewhere it should be. And that's it, guys. Here you can see here I'm going to save the changes whatever I did here. Let me save these changes. Now if I am going to log into the instance, right, it should come up with the latest version of your administration tools, guys.
So the latest version is 2.0 or 1.0? 1.0 is the old one, right?
Yes. It's still not running on the 1.0 only, guys. Let me log out.
So 2.0 is the newest version, right?
Yeah, 2.0 is the latest version, guys, which is called as OneAdmin. Yep. Sorry, guys, it's really somehow, I don't know, might be my system is very slow here. And in fact, my system is running with, I guess, 8 GB RAM, but still it is very slow. Yeah, it is running with 8 GB RAM. I don't know, like, what happened to my system here. Yep, you can see the moment you switch, you turn on the admin 2.0, which is your one admin tools, you are able to see the new administration tools, how you are going to access. You can see it is really user friendly, guys. And the search option that I am talking about, right? This is your search option. Say if you are doing some configuration with respect to the templates, keep typing the template keyword. You see all the admin options that are related to with respect to the template keyword has been displayed here. At the same time, anything, guys, let's say you are going to import export. You see all the options that match with the keyword that you place over there, right? It will show you all those things, and you can easily make out of it like what is the action that you are going to take, what kind of configuration that you are going to take do here. So it is really useful, guys. Don't forget about these things. It is there for you to help with respect to the admin actions, because initially when you start working on, right, you don't remember like what configuration is under which icon here. So this is going to be really helpful in that case, guys. So saying that, so the next thing that we are going to work on is with respect to the proxy management, guys. So what is your proxy management? So with respect to the proxy management, actually the proxy is going to help you as an administrator. It will help you, or it will enable you to log into another user account and resolve the issues, usually like all the tickets, support tickets, or whatever the issues that has been raised, right? We don't go to the actual person's machine, guys. In fact, like we'll just proxy into their account, try to replicate the issue and try to fix that particular issue, guys. That is how it is going to be usually. And there are some organizations who even use the proxy management like a similar kind of functionality to your delegation, guys. It's not actual delegation, but say in the absence of a particular employee, his manager wants to proxy into the his team member account and complete some action, some activity over there. Yes, they will be able to do that using the proxy functionality. So how it is going to be handled and what sort of permissions you need with respect to the proxy management is like, and in fact the first thing that you need to take care is like, is there any switch in your provisioning system around your proxy management functionality? Check that, guys. Let me quickly do that. So if you go to your provisioning system homepage and click on the company settings, check with the proxy keyword, guys. You can see enable proxy feature. Yes, even this feature is going to be controlled by a switch in your provisioning system. So let me deactivate that, and you will not be able to see the provisioning access proxy now option, guys. Entire proxy functionality is going to be disabled from your instance, guys. I don't know, guys. It is taking lot of time. Usually it will take 2 to 3 minutes, that is expected, but and here also like a browser issue is important thing, is you have to always clear your browser cache. Otherwise the old features or the whatever there in the cache, right, it is going to be loaded onto your screen. God. But usually like what happens, like you don't see the proxy now option, and if you go to your administration tools, right? I just don't want to waste your time here. And here also you see some option called as a, if you just keep typing, right? Yeah, you can see proxy management and proxy import. You don't see these options, guys. You don't see these two admin options to configure your proxy management. At the same time, as an user, you don't see this proxy now option. So that is what it is going to be controlled using the switch or the future from your provisioning system, guys. If you keep it back, right? Let me keep it back, guys, so that when we are working, right, we don't lose the proxy management functionality.